Pero ang sabi ng NBI agents, inutusan daw sila personally and directly ni BBM.
Nako.
Arrest Bato at all cost, kahit sino pa ang mamatay, kahit sino pa ang madali, basta pasukuin si Bato. Ngayon din. Kaya't di na namin maintindihan ano ba totoo. Mukhang wala namang nag-utos nito. Bakit nagkaroon ng Senate siege?
Dito ho tayo mga kababayan sa live nitong si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, nakasama niya itong si DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla. Sa like at subscribe, masaya na ho tayo dyan sa mga susumal sa ating community, yung join button nandyan lang ho sa baba. Panoorin ho natin mga kababayan. Yung!
Sir, thank you.
Kasama ko lang ang mga senador ngayon at nagpuro-pulo kami para makita talaga ako ng event. Ang chronology of events. At approximately 7:46
Pagka dito, walang nakakulong nangyari na to, malaki ho problema ng Pilipinas.
armed men tried to enter through the second floor but were stopped by the USAA. They had firearms with them, but the USAA fired a warning shot. They retreated at the back and started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number two, there are no casualties. None. No one was hit, no one is wounded, no one was killed. Number three, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. We have instructed the GSIS and the Senate building, the Senate staff to secure all CCTVs. Our mission here, the President sent me here, number one, to secure the senators. There is no politics at this time. In these times of turmoil, politics goes out the window. We all belong to one country and we all will lead one nation. The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear.
Sino nagpaputok? Yung mga taga-ICC nagpunta dyan sa Senado? Si John Vic naman sino? Pambihira.
Let that be clear.
Ang tawag ho dyan, damage control. At dyan sa pangalawang attempt nila na pag-kidnap kay Senator Bato at pagpapadala sa Daig Netherlands, ang tawag ho niya damage control dahil hindi ho talaga nila mapadala sa Daig itong si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Ano pa group effort pa?
I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find them. We have all the security
Yun natin.
footage, and I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
What's the motive
First
po?
and foremost, we thank God that everyone's safe. We'd like to thank the President, Secretary Isidoro, Secretary Remulla, who personally came here, Chief PNP ng SAPCC. So as you know, last Monday, nag-request po tayo ng PNP just to make sure na yung investigation natin with NBI, that there will be no untoward incidents. So at around 6:45, 7 o'clock, some senators
Grave abuse of power. Yan hong mensahe ni President Sara Duterte dyan sa nangyayari ngayon sa ating bansa.
got warnings na umuwi na. At nagtataka kami what that meant. So sabi ko, please don't believe that because the last thing anyone wants is yung gulo. At around that time, we got information. About an hour before that, we got information. Parating na dito yung articles of impeachment. So we decided to extend our focus and to mag-meeting na how we can prove by actions yung sinabi namin that this change in leadership is not about politics, it's not about impeachment. So at around that time na sinabi ni Sen. Remulla, we heard noises, akala ni Senator Villanueva, paputok, fireworks, and I even went to the window at pinagalitan nga ako ng sister ko dahil we don't do that. But after a few minutes, may paputok na naman, then we smelled, and then I was already watching TV, hindi ko na ma-contact. And then tumawag yung USAA na, sir, confirmed my shooter, hanggang dun lang. By the time tumawag na si Sen. Remulla that calm everyone down, but all away, make sure na papasukin kami. So we agreed on a objective, comprehensive investigation. I expressed to the President, who was a senator before he became President, Sen. Remulla, that of course the safety of my colleagues is very important, but yung integrity din ng Senado, the building is more than a building. In fact, it's not even a building, it's GSIS, but it represents the democracy of our country. So I'd like to thank you, kayo din sa media, no? I know you're also confused, but you decided to stay. So in the next few days lang, make sure lang na hindi tayo mag-infiltrate until we get to the bottom of this. No? So the USAA and the PNP under the direction of myself and Sec. Remulla is now going by floor, and we'll do the same sa kabilang building. We won't say any more operational details, but we will try to make sure na safe. I'll be here tomorrow. That's if I go home tonight. No? I'll be here and we'll brief you further. No? So we'll stop there. Pasensya lang po kayo, we'll stop muna sa details. Mahirap po na iba-ibang magpa-interview. So I'm directing the staff not to tell a lie, not to tell the whole truth, and to make sure that we cooperate with the PNP in their investigation.
Who are the shooters and how many, sir? How many shooters, sir? How many?
We still have to determine through CCTV footage kung sino po ilan talaga sila.
Opo.
So we cannot answer that with any video evidence.
Paano po nakapasok?
Simple lang kasi. Local courts, naglabas ng warat laban dito kay Senator Bato de la Rosa. Tatanggapin yan kahit ditong si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Anong instruction sa USAA? Anong instruction? Pagka ICC ang warat, hindi pwede yan. Pero pagka local courts, wala tayong magagawa, ibigay natin si Bato. Ganun ho mga kababayan. Mapanggang sa ngayong mga panahon na to, wala pa rin local courts. Ano ba yan? Pambira, hindi sa gusto natin ma-arresto itong si Senator Bato. Para matapos na itong kaguluhan na to, idaan natin sa tamang proseso. Yun lang ho ang atin dito mga kababayan.
Sa ayaw mo na nagpapatok warning shot.
Warning shot, because Saka gave a warning shot, and in their retreat, they started firing into the air. That's as far as we know. Okay? That is not conclusive. We still have to review the footage.
Saludo sa mga
Those are
usaa.
the word suspect kasi pag delay
Saludo sa mga taga-usaa. Nag-warning shot sila dahil ano nila yan, jurisdiction nila yan. Ika nga, karapatan, tungkulin nila na protektahan ng mga senador doon sa mga sumusugod na armado sa loob ng Senado. Tungkulin
namin
yun. Kung sakaling usaa yun, nag-warning shot, hindi dapat to dito, ipalakpakan natin sila. Dahil hindi nila pinahintulutan yung mga kabangagan ng bangag administration na makapasok sa Senado. Grabe.
eh, meron ng conclusion na rin yung iba. But we told Sec. Remulla kung sino ang suspect, kung ano suot, kung ano ang sinasabi nilang kung sino sila.
Perceived NBI daw? Perceived NBI, sir?
We'll not confirm.
No questions, sir.
No, it's okay questions, but forgive us because we don't want to say something na hindi magawin. If government did this to government, we are in trouble. And I want, there's a presumption of regularity na hindi ito gagawin ng kahit anong agency sa atin. Having said that, from the President down to the Secretary, sila na rin silang tumawag. Assured us na magiging independent at no holds barred investigation.
Perceived NBI po ba yung nakapasok? Perceived NBI ba, sir?
Please do not ask questions that are leading.
Pero sabi po kasi
Ito kasing, sino yan? May Los Baños.
Secretary Mendoza, sir.
Do
Secretary.
not ask questions.
How about Sen Bato?
Please do not ask
Senator Bato de la Rosa, how is he, sir? Nagbibigyan na lang sila ng
Senator De La Rosa has been informed that we are doing a sweep of the building. He has informed us that he wants to rest in his chambers. He is safe. He is with the security personnel. He has been informed of our activities. We have assured him that there is no warrant for arrest to be served. Okay? I am here to ensure the integrity of the Senate and to protect the protection of all the senators. Okay, please.
What's the walang motive pa, sir,
You
kayo
cannot,
dito?
you cannot ask questions of any detail because we cannot have answers for that.
Even kung paano po nakapasok, sir?
So either we have to review the
sila?
Ano ba naman yan, Sen Alan? Ba't meron tayong pa-filter dyan? Palakpakan natin si Sen Alan. Gusto ko yan, para ano lang, heart-heart lang tayo.
Also, sir, wala umabol.
protection ng number one side.
One reason we cannot tell you, ongoing pa.
Ongoing pa.
There's two buildings. So it's ongoing and we don't have to also, what you call this, telegraph dun sa investigation. We're all doing what we can. And Usa is there, and the PNP, the Chief PNP, binigyan ng specific instructions ni SIL.
Pero Senate is safe.
We are
Senate is safe, sir?
sweeping all the floors. We are sweeping all the floors. We have asked those non-essential personnel to leave, and we will investigate each and every person in that are non-essential here.
May pasok po ang Senado bukas?
So far, yes. I'll decide mamaya. But so far, kasi nga dumating yung articles of impeachment at may meeting coordination ang lahat ng heads. Having said that, may I also appeal to any of you or anyone in the Senate, kung may videos kayo na you think will help the investigation, submit it to us. Kasi maraming allegation, maraming denial.
We have FB Live, sir.
Yes.
We have FB Live.
Kung meron kayong videos, please submit it to us for our investigation.
Sir,
No one's under question.
Persons of interest meron.
Wala pa rin.
sir, how about
Paano magkaka-persons of interest? Kung kayo ang persons of interest, paano tayo magkaka-persons of interest? Pambihirang yan. Di ba? Wala akong tulugan to.
because of impeachment?
Para sa mga kasama nating OFW dito, wala, ganito ho talaga. Kailangan hong malaman ng sambayan ng Pilipino itong mga update na to. Kaya, sa totoo ho niyan mga kababayan, gusto na ho natin magpahinga. Sabi ko, papahinga na muna ako. Dahil parang na-overcopy na ako. Kape ho yan eh. Dahil nga nangyari na naman, merong ganyang kaganapan, napakape na lang. Right na naman tayo. Ganyang kapiyak, kasalanan na kape.
Kamusta? Was it secured?
Anyway, it's secure, nakaalis na rin yung mga tao. I just assure you, kung ano nasa constitution, ano sa rules namin, may precedents din to. This is the first time, maraming speculation, pero meron po yan. But I will be interpreted to be talking politics, especially the Commission Secretary. So I just assure you, kung ano ang rules, kung ano ang constitution, ano batas, ano precedent, susundin natin.
Is the Senate safe? Is the Senate safe as of now?
We're making sure that it's now, but I can tell you, especially for me, that I feel na cargo ko yung lahat ng empleyado at lahat ng mga senador, lalo
Good luck na lang ha sa ano yan, kumbaga sinasabi ng korte ng executive yan sa yung TRO na ni Bato de la Rosa ha. Siguro dito sa nangyari na to mas titibay, mas mapagtitibay ng Korte Suprema na napahintulutan yung TRO para dito kay Senator Bato. Base sa nangyayari na yan. Anong dahilan? Why the rush ika nga, di ba? Ng mga Inglesero at Inglesera. Di ba? Ba't kailangan madaliin to? Para saan? Nagpetisyon sa Korte Suprema, hintayin natin lumabas. O hindi na rin nirespeto maging yung pagdulog sa Korte Suprema ni Senator Bato de la Rosa. Yun ang kataas-taasang hukuman. Kung yung galaw na yun ni Sen Bato hindi rin nirespeto nitong mga bangag na to, ano pa ba yung mga gagawing remedy ni Senator Bato de la Rosa sa ating mga local courts dito sa bansang Pilipinas? Gumana.
walang kamalay-malay dito. It was,
Kawawa mga kawawa yung mga walang kamalay-malay dyan.
At first, if you get a call from me at this point in time, you wouldn't know that's an emergency. That's why I had to always
So categorical safe na ang Senado?
it's secure. It's secure.
Secure.
All senators are secure.
All senators?
All senators.
How many senators are inside, sir?
I think we were complete sa
Majority.
Parang wala.
Nakaskapo na yung mga taga-minority, nag-aalisan na. Tuta Soto nga, nagrereklamo daw bakit hindi napigilan yung mga mga ralista, siguro pinagmumura siya, pinagsisipa yung sasakyan niya, anak ng toka. Okay lang yan, dami mo namang pera. Kanya ka.
Here, right now, yung 12, nasa loob ba? Yes. Yeah.
Isa po ba to?
Yeah.
Senator,
How about Sen. Robin?
Yes, also here, also here. Pagod yung dalawa kasi they've been here the last few days.
Magsisiuwian po ba kayo, sir? Or dito lang kayo?
Coordinate muna with the PNP.
I will, it is my duty to ensure that
Sinasabi ko ginugulo ni Trillanes, aayusin ni John Vic, malakpahan. At dahil dyan, hindi na natin tatapusin yung mga punto de vista na yun ni John Vic. Pakinggan muna natin ang ating President Sara Duterte. Ito, pakinggan muna natin siya.
Natin is, what you're witnessing sa bayan natin is grave abuse of power and usap na tayo mamaya.
Sige, ma'am.
Yan maliwanag ang sabi ni President Sara Duterte na ang nasasaksihan natin ngayon grave abuse of power. Maliwanag ho yun mga kababayan. Dito tayo kay Mangga. Ito yung mga update sa FB page niya. Ano ba yung nakalagay dito sa ating na to? Sa post niya na to. Pakinggan, ano ba sabi niya dito? Bakit nagkakaputukan dito sa Senado? Hindi ito normal. Hindi yan normal kasi bangag nga kapatid mo. Talaga bang dadakpin na kami lahat? Pinagbabaril na kami dito. Nakuyari tayo dyan. Ito, game.
Ayan o. Ayan o.
Yun, oh.
Ayan o. Ala, pumapasok
bakla,
po silang lahat. Ano ba
Ala,
yan? Bakit
ala.
nagkakaputukan dito sa Senado? Hindi na ito normal.
Hindi na normal.
Ano ba naman to? Talaga bang dadakipin na kami lahat? Bakit kami pinagbabaril dito sa labas habang nasa loob, mapayapang nagkukuko? So, nandito kami at nagsisiksikan kami sa isang maliit at madilim na sulok dito sa kwarto ng SP habang nagpuputukan pa rin sa gilid at nagtutulakan pagkat pilit na pumapasok yung mga NBI, yung kanilang mga kasamahan na may mahahabang baril dala-dala at pinagsuot na nga ako ng bulletproof ng aking mga security. Ganun pa man, hindi tama itong nangyayari. Kung nais nilang takipin si Senator Bato, hindi nila dapat ipinsala ang institusyon ng Senado, ang building ng Senado at ang mga senador. Hindi po tama itong nangyayari at nananawagan kami sa mga opisyal kung kayo ay busy o may ginagawa o kung ano.
Paano dudulog yung kapatid mo? Di ba sabi mo nga adik? Anak ng toka, adik yung kapatid mo. Ikaw na mismo nagsasabi. Mananawagan ka pa? Kanino ka mananawagan? Sa judiciary? Ang birang yan.
Ano pa? Pwede ba? Tulungan ninyo kami rito.
Yung mga sundalo natin wala nang pakialam sa soberanya ng Pilipinas. Diba? Kasi kung meron silang pakialam, ano ba to? Mga Marines. Di umano mga Marines. Di natin alam. Nagpanggap na Marines o kung ano man. Sino man yung mga yan. Naka-uniforme. Pinasok ka Senado. Di umano ha? Developing pa rin yung history na yan. Nakita nyo naman yung mga larawan, di ba? Di umano Marines yung uniforme na yun. Hira.
At nagpapasaklolo na yung mga senador ng ating republika. So, nandito kami.
Next.
How many shots were fired at the
Fireworks.
Fireworks. Who's the for that? Kanina. Okay, nagigit na ba ito? Everybody's here. Half are in the other room. Okay, nagigit na first.
Ang hirap nito, executive na nga sa larin, sila pa hero. Good cup, bad cup, no? Bangag na bangag na dati yan. Baba na tayo tapos tayong magliligtas sa kanila. Palikpakan.
I just one thing lang. So Vince called, saying the same thing. And I said, Vince, I believe you. You're my friend, I believe you. But he was saying it might be an inside whatever job. I won't think, sabi ko lang, Vince, independent investigation, yes. But I just wanted to know, when we were meeting 2 hours ago, there were some staff pulling out, and staff here, umiikot kasi. They told our other staff and other senators, pull out may mangyayari. And even our deputy secretary, who can you who she is, she got the same text. And she told yung kausap niya, na I can't think we're waiting for the articles of impeachment. So I mean, if it was an inside job from our side, from the 13th, we wouldn't have been receiving. Just to make it
Napakalabo ho nung inside job. Anak ng toka, gagawin nila yan? Bakit alam nitong si Tuta Soto? Mabilis pa sa alas 4, kumari pa siya. Kung inside job yan. Pambihir.
Yeah, we'll be like, yeah, I don't have what you have to know. Is that there is another one yes. And we were drilling holes from there. So, and I told Vince, I told Vince, if it was from us, si Mao reported to me, they're inspecting even senators from the administrator na just yes. They're inisay sa alam. So, this all happened. It's not kay Mao. Call the administrator, I'll call you, talk to you, and ask why is it then all happened. Okay. It's happened. How many shots?
Next.
Opo, grabe ng kalokohan to. Lahat sila nagtatanggi, DILG, hindi daw nila ginawa. Andito si John Vic, sabi niya wala daw siya kinalaman dito. PNP, wala ring alam. Ang NBI, dead ma rin, hindi rin nila alam. Pati ang ating Pangulo, sabi nila, hindi rin nila alam. Lahat pa lang may alam. Pero ang NBI, buong tapang, nasubugod dito sa Senado, nagpaputok, at kung ano-ano ang pinaggagawa. Kaya isang malaking himala, ito nangyari sa Senado, isang kahiyahiyang pangyayari sa araw na ito. Sa kagustuhan lamang nila na madakip si Senator Bato, na kayang-kaya namang gawin. Kumuha lang sila ng warrant sa isang korte na Pilipino. Hindi yung ganito na talagang tatakutin ng mga senador, magpapaputok, sisirain yung institusyon natin at magbibigay ng sadyang kahihiyan para sa ating bansa sa buong mundo. Opo, grabe.
Next.
Nandito kami At yung karamihan ng mga senador nagsiakyatan para bisitahin si Bato kung okay pa rin siya. Dahil kami nagtataka at nagdatingan yung mga opisyal na kada isa, kanina, hindi sumasagot sa amin, denied to death sila. Sabi nila lahat na talagang wala silang kinalaman. Nag-umpisa sa ating PNP, dumating si John Vic Remulla, wala rin siyang kinalaman. Ganon din ang NBI, dead ma rin. Lahat sila walang alam pero putukan tuloy-tuloy. Ganon din, kinausap pa si Presidente Bongbong, si BBM. Sabi din, hindi naman daw niya utos yun, ba't daw nagkaganon. Andito pa kami, kanina pa kami narito. Pero talagang walang umaamin, walang may alam. Lahat sila gulatan. Hindi ko maintindihan. Nako, nagkakaputukan na dito sa inyong Senado, amoy usok na sa lahat ng sulok, hindi namin mahanap ang aming mga kapwa senador.
Ano dito, baka ang plano talaga dito, kunyari investigasyon, mag-aano yung mga nasa loob na yung mga pulis, kasi paikot, di ba, kahit declare crime scene yan o kung ano pa man, di ba? Tapos, biglang halugugin lahat ng mga kwarto at itong si Senator Bato, nakpin ho nila. Hindi ho natin alam. Ano ba talaga pinaplano nito mga siraulo na to?
At hindi kami makapaglabasan, eto, ang sabi nila, talagang denied to death. Pero, ang sabi ng NBI agents, inutusan daw sila personally and directly ni BBM,
Nako!
arrest Bato at all costs, kahit sino pa ang mamatay, kahit sino pa ang madali, basta pasukuin si Bato. Ngayon din. Kaya't di na namin maintindihan ano ba totoo. Mukhang wala namang nag-utos nito. Bakit nagkaroon ng Senate siege? Andito kami at
Next. Itong si Mangga, marami ho siyang ganap ngayong araw na to. Marami siyang ganap. Next.
okay, ngayon bibisitahin ko muna itong opisina ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa aking mga tauhan kasi kanina nagputukan, patay lahat ng ilaw. Ngayon lang ako nakaakit eh. Grabe itong nangyari dito. Bakit naman inatake yung Senado? Hindi ko akalain na mangyayari ito dito sa Senate ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Ganito na lang ang turing nila sa amin at ang balita, palibhasa lahat sila nagdi-deny. Ang next daw na sasabihin, gawa-gawa lang namin to para mahawakan ang liderato ng Senado at pagtakpan ang impeachment. Ano ba namang kalokohan to? Eto na nga at nagtatago kami dito sa barilan, putukan at siege ng Senado. Sasabihin pa na gawa-gawa daw namin kasi lahat sila denied to death, walang nag-utos, nalusubin ng Senado, walang may kinalaman, wala ang talagang mananagot. Eto na naman tayo. Flood control na naman ba?
Ito mga kababayan, anong flood control na naman ba? Flood control ho talagang punot dulo niyan. Yung mga magnanakaw, nakapamilya rin naman itong si Amy, pinipilit ho nila hanggat maaari hindi makaupo si Sara, hindi mapalitan ng liderato sa Senado, hindi magtuloy-tuloy ang hearing. Hanggat maaari dito sa susunod na 3 taon ng pamumuno ng bangag na kapatid nitong si Amy, maareglo ho nila yan. Hindi ho yun sa ayaw sa gusto nila. Magkaka-oras din itong mga magnanakaw na to, mga walang yan to. Sira ulo. Ayun na nga mga kababayan, tuloy ho tayo dito sa kaganapan na to sa Senado. Interview nitong si Atty. Salvador Panelo dito kay Ma'am Pinky Web ang ating papasadahan dito sa video na to. Kaugnay pa rin doon sa nangyaring kaguluhan sa Senado na di umano sumugod ang Marine, sumugod ang NBI, nagpaputok si ganito, nagpaputok si ganyan. Kung ano pa man ang kadahilanan, napakalaking kabalbalan ho niyan. At ito ho ang ating sigurado dyan. Hindi ho tatakbo si Tuta Soto, hindi tatakbo yung taga-minority ngayong mga panahon na to. Kung ika nga inside job yan at galing sa majority ang kaganapan na yan, at unang aalis ng mga minority na to at papaalam sa kanila na mayroong mangyayaring ganyan. Malabo hong mangyari yan mga kababayan. Kaya sa pag-alis ng mga minority na yan bago yung napakatinding komisyon na yan, meron hong ibig sabihin yan. Sino ang nagtip dito sa mga senador na to? Sinabi na naman nitong si Amy Marcos na utos daw nitong si Marcos Jr. at all cost ang pag-aresto dito kay Senator Bato kahit na meron pang mga madamay na mga senador o mga sibilyan o kung sino pa man. Galing ho yan kay Amy Marcos, hindi ho ating mga kababayan. Game!
And you wanted speculations that Senator Bato de la Rosa could be arrested today. Let's get an update on the Senate from Hannah T. Hannah, go ahead.
Yes, thank you. Actually, just a few minutes ago, we saw
Hannah,
go ahead, sa second floor ng Senado. This is after... Yes, Pinky, can you hear me?
I can't. Go ahead, please.
Pinky, can you hear me? Yes. Pinky, we're here at the second floor ng Senado. At currently, hinihintay natin yung meeting with senators na matapos dahil dito yon, Pinky. Actually, this is where we're currently staking out. At on the left is Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano's office kung saan inaasahan natin anytime soon lalabas yung mga senador. At yan ay matapos yung pag-announce ni Senate Sergeant at Arms Mau Aplasca ng meron daw silang i-arrest na senador, na isang individual. And currently, actually just a few minutes ago, we were able to talk to Aplasca because sinabi ng USAA mismo sa atin na there's gonna be a dangerous situation dito sa Senate matapos na yung pagdeklara ng lockdown kung saan yung mga Senate employee ay nagsiuwian na. Pinky, we personally saw Aplasca talk to House Secretary General Chaloy Garafil na nakarating dito para i-transmit yung articles of impeachment. Ayon mismo kay Aplasca, we weren't able to talk to Garafil though, but we saw that she went up sa 6th floor ng Senado kung saan nandoon yung opisina ni Secretary Mark Leandro Mendoza of the Senate. So siya kasi yung dapat mag-receive ng impeachment articles. Pinky, sa ngayon, Senate media yung nandito. Hinihintay natin kung magkakaroon ng interviews dito sa...
All right, we're losing Hannah there. I believe she's using her phone and the communication over there
Second floor.
has
Tao
become
dito.
spotty. Okay, Hannah, go ahead.
And we think that the factor of all of this is marami nga yung tao kaya bumabagal yung wifi dito sa Senate. Pinky,
No problem. Hannah, okay, so we're also getting some feed. I know you are inside. Meron din kaming nakikitang feed from outside the Senate that we're airing right now kung saan ilang sa mga, it appears, vehicles are entering. I think that are they entering the Senate premises? But let's go back to that a little later on. Hannah, yung sinasabi mo kanina na Philippine Marines, are they still there? Yung sinabi mo in full battle gear, did you see them again?
No, Pinky. Actually, right after our interview, our report sa agenda kanina, umalis na rin itong 6 na personnel na nakita natin in full gear. At wala na tayong nakikitang kahit osaa in gears dito sa second floor ng Senado kung saan hinihintay din nating lumabas yung mga senador.
Okay.
So, merong mga ilang pulis talaga na spotted kanina naglalakad at si Senator Bato de la Rosa naman ay galing din doon sa opisina ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Kanina kasi nakita natin kasama niya yung ilang majority senators, kasama sina Senators Amy Marcos at Joel Villanueva. Si Senator Robin din na naispatan natin at sinabi niya hindi raw siya uuwi dahil nga nandito si Senator Bato at magkakaroon sila ng pagpupulong with SP Alat. Thank you.
All right, Hannah, we'll get more information from you. Papasok ka namin as soon as there's more update there. Hannah, thank you so much. Catch your breath and we'll get back to you a little later on. Hannah's been covering the events over there at the Senate. Balikan na lang po natin siya maya-maya lamang. Kausapin natin ngayon, former Chief Presidential Legal Counsel, Attorney Salvador Panelo. Attorney Sal, thanks for being here. Just a quick reaction on what's happening in the Senate.
Deja vu.
Deja vu.
It's just a repeat of what happened to the former president. They're going to enforce that illegal warrant of arrest without going through the process as imposed by the Constitution and by the law. They've been saying that it falls under 9851. Pero ang problema sa kanila, hindi nila tinitinan, may dalawang kulatilyo ron. Ang nakalagay doon, in the interest of justice. So ibig sabihin, ang tanong ko ngayon, is it in the interest of justice that we surrender a Filipino citizen to a foreign tribunal that has no jurisdiction? And then sa bandang muli, if you will apply the surrender as well as the extradition, nakalagay doon, in accordance with the laws on extradition. Ano ba nakalagay sa extradition? You have to pass through a court. Hindi nila ginagawa.
Attorney Sal, pwede mo ba talaga gamitin yung salitang extradition? Because an extradition is supposed to be between two countries. What we're talking about is a tribunal here. It is not a state.
Even then, ganun pa rin yun.
But it's not an extradition.
Even then, they're not using that. Ang ginagamit nila yung surrender.
Okay.
But then, ganun pa rin. It refers to both extradition as well as surrender
Or
in
surrender.
accordance with the law.
Okay. In accordance with the law.
Well, what is important, Pinky, is that the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC comes from an entity that has no jurisdiction over the Philippines. Yun ang importante doon.
Yeah, but that's been your battle cry. And the people, the lawyers of former President Rodrigo Duterte. On the flip side, sir, is that they retain jurisdiction. That time, we were still a party to the Rome Statute that created the ICC. In other words, sir, there's really 2 points here. Pwede niyo pong sabihin over and over again na wala silang jurisdiction. At yung kabila naman ay sasabihin, of course there is jurisdiction dahil it involves the time that we were still a party or a member of the Treaty of the Rome Statute.
But if you will follow
And
the-
that investigation was during that time,
But
sir.
if you will follow the Tovera case that was decided by the Supreme Court on the question of a statute not being published in the official gazette, and the Rome Statute never so light because hindi man na-publish doon, we have never become a member of the ICC.
So then why did the former president have to withdraw from the Rome Statute if that is the argument you are raising?
Assuming, kasi nga pinipilit nila, o sige, assuming na naging member kami, aalis na kami dyan. Kung mga ad cautelam.
Yeah, but if you're saying that it was never published in the official gazette, then there's no point in having to withdraw from the ratification of the Rome Statute, which the former president did. But anyway, sir, again, you know, endless po yung argument kasi there's two sides and there are so many lawyers here chiming in.
No, I think the Supreme Court has to resolve kasi.
I was actually gonna go there. Kasi pwede ho natin itong pag-usapan. We can have subject matter experts resource.
Itong tayo pag hindi sila mag-resolve.
Yeah,
Ganun ang
so
mangyayari.
yesterday, you were saying that you filed a petition again before the Supreme Court. Sir, please go ahead.
Urgent
Motion.
second motion for the Supreme Court to resolve. Kasi sabi namin doon sa first motion namin, i-resolve nyo na. Kasi may baka itong ginagawa kay Bato, mangyari na naman yung ginawa kay Presidente. At mangyari na nga. Kaya sinabi namin sa Supreme Court, this is the reason why nangyayari ito. Kasi hindi nyo ni-resolve kaagad. Kaya kailangan i-resolve na ngayon.
The petition again, Attorney Sal, is, paki-explain po sa mga nanonood.
Well, ang petition mo kasi namin, the petition of writ of habeas corpus, ang hinihingi namin sa Korte Suprema is to declare illegal the acts committed against the former president, the arrest, the detention, as well as the rendition. And then declare, or rather, after having declared it illegal, then compel the officials and this government to bring back the former president to the Philippines. Yun ang pinaka-prayer.
I was thinking about that. Of course, that's been hanging since the time that the former president was brought to the
Yeah,
Hague. Di ba?
1 year and
Because-
2 months ago.
Because you filed this immediately. In fact, isn't it true that the petition was habeas corpus pa ho?
Yes.
Okay. So, again, it's been a year and 2 months, and this has not been resolved, and this is happening again. As mentioned a while ago, you have one point of view, the others have that other point of view, and ultimately, in the end, it will be the Supreme Court
Yeah.
that will really have to resolve this. Quick question on that. Does that become moot, sir, for the former president? I know if they make a decision that affects the situation of Senator Bato, pero yung sa former president, moot na ho kaya yun?
Hindi na, it can never be moot kasi the issue is illegal ba o illegal? Ang pag ginawa nila, that can never be moot because the issue is legality. So the court can declare it's illegal. or legal. Kaya nga sabi ko, the Supreme Court should decide either way.
Yeah.
Para
There's
hindi
clarity.
na maulit yung ginagawa.
Because
And most
what's
likely,
happened,
si
again,
Bongo,
yeah.
meron din warrant of arrest siguro yun. Dahil lahat sila conspirators.
Attorney Sal, with your indulgence, I just want to bring this in to those who might have just joined us. These are pictures, video, of course, in the Senate. Our correspondents are still there. Hannah T, Dexter Yanive, and Ivy Reyes. Patuloy po silang minamanmanan at inaalam ang kaganapan dito. So,
Sino kundi ang hindi ang executive, hindi ang judiciary, sino yung nagpaputok sa loob? Nag-hire ng mga private goons ang ICC para pasukin si Senator Bato diyan sa Senado? Ano yan? Yo.
injuries. So, we will try to get back to you a little later on, Hannah. Pero siguro mabuti na rin ulitin natin yung ating naging panayam kay DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla. He already said as early as, I think, Attorney Sal, my apologies to you, sir, no? Sinabi po kasi ni DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla na talagang walang mangyayaring arrest ngayon. Definitely nothing today. And then this happens, the NBI director saying, hindi ko mga tao yan.
Sino yun? Kanino yun?
But would you agree, sir? Madali naman ho talagang suot ng t-shirt, jacket, na PNP.
Pero wala naman suot, di ba? Wala naman suot.
Perceived eh. So I assume.
They are assuming that because alam nila na yung NBI ang gustong mag-aresto. Kaya anybody who comes into the premises na may dalang baril, ang perception talaga NBI yan.
But it could also be members of the PNP, hindi ho ba? During the time of FPRRD, PNP yun.
Tinawag mo yung PNP chief, tanungin mo kung meron siyang utos.
Yeah, hindi ko po I didn't get there, sir. So dami nang nangyari. All right, so while we continue to monitor the developments there, we had Attorney Sal Panelo today because we also wanted to talk about the petition, sir, of the camp of Senator Bato doon po sa Korte Suprema. You're not very satisfied with that particular petition on the TRO, sir?
Well, to my mind, dapat habeas corpus petition kasi he is being deprived of his liberty. Nakakulong siya doon eh. Sinasabi mong hindi dahil hindi pa siya na-aresto, hindi pa siya in custody. Pero napangis he cannot get out of that kasi may nag-aabang sa kanyang
Senado,
aresto.
you mean?
So, dapat habeas corpus para tawagin yung mga threatening to arrest him at paliwanag bakit. So that the issue of the legality of the warrant will be resolved na within 24 hours.
Pagka nagkaroon ng habeas corpus?
Oo, kasi papatawag eh. Tatanong
What
niya,
happens in a situation like that? Please explain to us, sir.
kasi pag nagwala ka ng habeas corpus, ang korte kagad papatawag yung nagrereklamo na tinitreten siya or nakulong na siya.
So let's say Senator Bato.
Oo,
Okay.
tatawagin siya. Tatawagin din yung mga NBI agents kasi sila ang gustong umaresto. They will explain because we have the warrant of arrest. I-resolve nila yan, valid ba yung warrant mo? Hindi.
They will decide on that.
The Supreme Court.
And then does that force them to act on the petition?
Immediately, kasi habeas corpus eh.
Alright, si Ivy Reyes is also on the line, isa pang kasama Bato. Kailan pumunta sa Korte Suprema at yung arresting officers.
officer,
So that would be the NBI agents who were at the Senate
Yes.
nung araw na yon. Pagkatapos, how does that
Hindi,
happen?
i-resolve na. Kasi tatanungin mo, ba't yung inaresto yan? Kasi may warrant kami. Ano bang warrant yan? Galing sa ICC. Doon ma-resolve yung issue whether or not a warrant of arrest coming from the ICC that did not pass through the court is legal or not.
Pero right there and then, sir.
Yes, kasi habeas corpus, they have to resolve it immediately.
So why didn't...
Meanwhile, habang nagdi-discuss sila, deliberate, they can ask the NBA agents, huwag yung pakialaman muna yan.
Leave him alone.
Ayan, yun siya.
And then so that makes Senator Bato, let's say that happened. Of course, this is hypothetical because that's not what they filed.
Siya muna. Kasi kung merong order ng Supreme Court, huwag niyong
I
galawin
see.
yan.
Yeah, hindi siya pwedeng galawin ng any member
Oo, kasi may
ng
order,
gobyerno.
kung may order ng Supreme Court, he can get out and do his thing.
Did you not offer that particular angle or habeas corpus?
No, last night I was there and I advised Senator Bato after I learned that they filed this other petition. Sabi ko, habeas corpus na lang kayo.
Will they do that?
Eh, sabi naman ni Senator Bato, he instructed the lawyer to do it. Ewan ko.
So, forgive the ignorance. So you can file a TRO and then subsequently a habeas. Pwede po yun.
Pwede yun. Pwede yun.
You think they'll do that?
I don't know.
Well, what is the disadvantage, sir, of actually doing that? What are the cons?
Hindi. Advantage palagi ng habeas corpus kasi na-deprive ka na nga ng liberty mo or your liberty is being threatened. In fact, hindi na nga-threaten sa akin yun dahil nakakulong ka na eh. Hindi ka makalabas eh.
All right. What we're seeing right now, and we are told that the ILG Secretary, John Vic Remulla, I'm trying to get a visual of him. Perceived NBI, could be anyone else. But something like that, sir, cannot happen. Where you put in peril the lives of everyone there inside the Senate. Because of what? Hindi ho ba?
Kaya nga, the only way to stop that is an order from above,
Yeah.
whether in the office of the President or sa Supreme Court.
Kasi napunta na po tayo dito. I mean, ito yung sukdulan na. I mean, this was actually unimaginable. Personally, I didn't think na aabot po sa ganito.
Ay, tayo.
Kayo ho ba?
But avoidable lahat ito. Sabi nga ni Paolo, avoidable naman yan. Eh, hindi na dapat nangyari yan.
Pero yun din, sir. We can have that argument. It's avoidable by, sabi mo, the President. By Senator Bato surrendering also. I'm sure that's another another option that the other group would say. Kung
mahirap nga yun.
nag-surrender siya, di walang ganyan na nangyari.
Meanwhile, siya naman idadali sa, hey, kung ikaw ba si Bato, papayag ka naman yung...
Yeah, I know you asked me that already, but
Di
the
ba?
answer there is I'm not
Mahirap eh.
him.
Mahirap.
Ang sagot nga hindi ikaw yun. Kaya huwag kang magtanong ng ganong klaseng tanong kung hindi mo alam yung kalagayan noong tao na nandoon sa lugar na yun.
Hirap din naman yung kalagayan.
I'm not gonna say it's easy, sir. Definitely, it's a tough Sabi nga niya, he is at his lowest point of his life.
Oo nga, gagawin
So,
nga.
hinihingi siya ng due process. Pero sinasabi naman ng mga pamilya ng mga biktima, paano naman kami? Wala naman kami, hindi naman kami nagka-due process.
Sino kanino biktima? Biktima ni Senator Bato de la Rosa? O nung mga ano nila, yung mga nagbibigay sa kanila ng suplete tinutulak nila. Di ba? Yung mga yan, biktima ho ng mga sindikato, hindi ni Senator Bato o ni dating Pangulo.
Sir, so do you think the Supreme Court will act on this ASAP after this?
Kung mayroong pinay habeas corpus, action ang kagad yan.
Do you think makikinig sila doon sa sinabi mo or si Senator Bato because you
Eh,
advised
sabi ni Senator Bato, magpapile sila. Kala ko nga, ngayon, umaga nag-file na sila. Apparently, wala pa.
baka taken because you advised that last night when
Last
you were
night.
there. How was he? What can you
Eh,
tell us?
siyempre, yun, malungkot. Tense. Siyempre, kahit sino eh.
Nagdalawang isip mo pa siya o in hindsight sabi niya dapat di na lang ako nagpakita?
Hindi naman, wala naman siya sinasabing ganun. Sabi niya, yung mga nangangantyaw sa kanya, kala ko, sabi mo, sama mo si Presidente. Pinasabi niya lang yun kasi wala kayo sa kalagayan ko. Kung ngayon nasa kalagayan ko, sa tingin ko, yun din ang gagawin niya.
Pero hindi naman po ibang tao nagsabi nun. Siya mismo nagsabi nun eh. It will be my honor to stay with the President on the last stages of his life. Meron po siyang ganung interview.
Eh, palagi ko, sinabi niya yun, alam niyang walang warrant. Dahil wala naman talagang warrant of arrest noon.
Yung mga
Kaya
panahon
madali
yun.
sabihin yun.
But does that teach you or anybody to be careful of what you say because everything is on video now. Ibinabalik po sa inyo yan. Sa atin, sa ating lahat, hindi po personally sa inyo. Yung mga sasabihin nyo na, make my day, di ba? Yung sinabi niya kay Senator Trillanes at sumama ka pa. Ikaw pa magposa sa akin. Yung mga ganung pananalita ho.
Ano lang yun? Hyperbole.
The often used word, hyperbole.
Optics lang yun.
Optics lang yun. Tsaka sinabi naman ni Senator Bato. Kaya ako sinabi yun kasi binigyan ako ng guarantee ng Pangulo na hindi mangyayari yun. Hindi nila papahintulutan na mag-implement ng warrant o para sa ICC sa Pilipinas.
Sir, let's talk about the impending impeachment.
Okay.
So nadala na po yung articles of impeachment.
Wala na yan. Wala yung impeachment na yan. Kaya nagpapanik sila ngayong mga panahon na to. Lahat ng pwedeng dispatcha, hindi dispatcha ho nila. Boto din naman kasi sa impeachment at magtatanong sa impeachment si Senator Bato. Kaalyado ni VP Sara dyan sa Senado. So always, maraming salamat po sa pagsupport sa PH Update. Antabay po tayo mga kababayan. Balita natin, nagsalita na itong si Marcos Jr. Abangan nyo, gagawin natin reaction video yan. Malin mo natin ng Pilipinas.